I'm Gavin, and today I'm going to talk about depth of field. Now, it's a funny one, this. It's sort of, let's put this right out there at the beginning. Depth of field is a creative tool, and basically, it can be employed in any way you wish. For what is it? But I mean, depth of field is basically the in focus area of your lens. So as you ramp up the aperture, your depth of field will increase. And so you'll have an area in there which is in focus. And you have a hyperfocal point, which is the most in focus, and you have an area of acceptable focus within your sort of depth of field area. Now you can sort of see this because I mean, if you look behind me, my background's all blurry, so that this is depth of field working. I've got I'm on f2, so basically the focal point's quite short, and behind me it's blurred out. But if you get closer to the camera, there'll be another zone which will be sort of the same thing. And this is basically how it works. So depending on what your aperture setting is, will depend on your depth of field. And that's fundamentally it. Now, with photography, it's really easy. You use depth of field to isolate a subject, or you use it for massive depth of field like f22 or whatever. If you're doing macro photography, you don't want any depth of field. You just want to clear, you just want to snap the entire thing. Landscape photography, high f-stop numbers, big, small apertures to capture everything. So how it works is the lower the f number, the smaller the depth of field. So if I'm f2, the depth of field is tiny. Now, it's great with photography. It's sort of like, you've got control, you've got time, you can look at something, you go, okay, I'll put it on f8, I'll get a lot in here, this bit here won't be in focus, that bit won't be,